8:25 here on WSAR. Joining us on the hotline, it is Kate O'Hara, Vice President of Student Services and Enrollment Management at Bristol Community College. Good morning, Kate.
Good morning. How are you?
Good. How you doing today?
Doing all right, thank you.
Except that it's Monday. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but the sun is shining, so I'll take it.
That is true, right? We went to, I think I was telling, did I tell you this earlier? Me and Abby went to Plymouth yesterday.
Yes, I heard
My
that.
daughter, Abby. And cool and windy.
Yeah.
Now, when is this going to be over? But the answer to that is this week. Did you have a good weekend, Kate?
I did. Like many parents, I spent it shipping my kids around to various activities. It was busy.
The human Uber.
Yes, exactly.
I just got out of that phase. My daughter got her license in December.
Congratulations.
So, well, she's a good driver, thank goodness, and we get that app that we can track her everywhere. But I am driving way less miles now. So
Great.
I'm enjoying that. Kate, you've probably been busy planning this event for tomorrow, right?
We have. We're so excited, and we'll be welcoming as many people as would like to join us to our Fall River campus tomorrow evening from 5 to 7 for an open house.
Tell us all about it.
I'd be happy to. So we're going to have lots of staff on hand to help students with their admissions applications or financial aid applications, or really just anyone if they're just curious to learn more about what it might look like to come and enroll with us for the fall. You may remember we have free community college here in Massachusetts now for anyone without a bachelor's degree. So it's a great time if people are considering to start college or finish what they started. The open house is a really great opportunity tomorrow night to just come and learn more about what that looks like.
Awesome. And do you just show up, or does anybody have to register or sign up for it?
You can do both. You can register on our website. You can visit www.bristolcc.com/open-house if you'd like to register in advance, or we'd love it if you just show up. We'll have check-in starting as early as 4:30 if people want to come, and we'll have some light refreshments if people want to have a little something to eat before the program starts at 5 o'clock.
How close can they get to completing the process at the open house tomorrow?
Well, really, tomorrow, we'd like to help everyone do as much as they possibly can to get ready to register for classes.
Mm-hmm.
So people can come, they can fill out the admissions application. That only takes about 5 minutes. We've got our financial aid staff here that can help with that FAFSA, which is the application for both the federal and the state financial aid programs and what makes you eligible for free community college. So both of those things can be done tomorrow. And we also have tours available. It hopefully will be a beautiful night. I think the weather is going to cooperate.
Oh, yeah.
It's a beautiful campus. So really good opportunity as well to come in and take a look at what the campus has to offer.
All right. Sounds like it'd be a good turnout because you're right. It's so much easier to go do something extra at night when the weather is nice.
It sure is.
Plus, you know what was great yesterday? I noticed 8:17, still not dark.
I know. Nice.
Yeah,
Huh?
yeah. And this morning.
Yeah, my kids don't understand that when they have to go to bed, though.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. How old are they?
I have a almost 10-year-old and a 6-year-old.
Okay, yeah.
A 6-year-old that doesn't quite get it yet.
Yeah.
But yes, it should be beautiful this tours. Much better than in the winter when we did our open house and it was dark out. So
Oh, right.
it'll be a nice night to do it.
Yeah, and trying to get a 6-year-old to bed when it's still light out. It's that debate never goes well.
The age-old debate. Yeah.
Uh-huh. Kate, thank you so much for giving us all the details, and we wish you much success and lots of people tomorrow night.
Oh, thank you so much. We look forward to seeing everyone.
Have a great day, Kate.
You as well.
Thank you. Kate O'Hara, Vice President of Student Services and Enrollment Management at Bristol Community College. Thank you so much, Kate.